How to delete Facebook Business Manager account. Hello everybody, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete your Facebook Business Manager account. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So the very first thing you want to do is open up any web browser on your computer and then simply search for business.facebook.com. And then make sure to log into your account. As you can see here, I have already logged into my account, and under my business asset I actually have all of these pages. So what you're gonna do is click on this business settings and head over to the settings menu. Now once you land on the settings page, if you want to delete certain assets or certain pages, then what you're gonna do is scroll down until you find your business asset groups, and right below there you have your business assets. So just click on it, and then if you want to remove a store or an asset, you can click on their details and then click on remove to do that. Now if you want to completely remove your ID, then in that case you're gonna have to head over to your business portfolio info and then scroll down a bit. And once you do that, here you have an option to leave this. So just click on remove yourself, and then click on leave this, and your business account will be deleted permanently. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. You could also do this from here and click on remove, and you will be able to remove yourself. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.